What if the most dangerous truck of 2030 isn't seen until it's already past you? Silent, precise, unstoppable, redefining power, range, and intelligence in one ghost-like machine. In 2030, the Ram Phantom X range doesn't announce itself with noise or excess, it emerges with calculated confidence, a futuristic electric pickup engineered to feel elusive yet overwhelming. Because this truck isn't about showing strength, it's about possessing it, and as its sleek, shadow-cut body glides under sharp white showroom lights or disappears into open highways, suspense builds around one unsettling truth. This machine was designed to operate beyond expectations, beyond limits, beyond what drivers thought possible from a pickup, and the deeper you look, the more it becomes clear that Ram didn't just extend range or increase power. It fused endurance, intelligence, and dominance into a platform that feels less like a vehicle and more like a strategic advantage, blending extreme long-range electric performance with adaptive systems that constantly optimize energy, traction, and control, creating a truck that doesn't just go farther, it stays stronger the longer it goes, challenging competitors not to catch up, but simply to survive relevance. Are you ready to discover how one electric truck can erase range anxiety, redefine dominance, and change the rules forever? Stay with me, because in just moments you'll see how the Phantom X range silently outlasts rivals, how its systems think miles ahead, and why this truck may become the most feared benchmark of the electric era. And every second you keep watching reveals another reason Ram designed this machine to disappear into the future ahead of everyone else. Silent, electric, intelligent, long-range, adaptive, dominant, relentless. This is the truck that proves the future of power isn't louder or heavier, it's smarter, longer, and more controlled than ever imagined. Picture yourself behind the wheel, the cabin sealed in calm focus, digital displays floating seamlessly around you, minimal yet powerful. And when you press the accelerator, the Phantom X range surges forward instantly, not aggressively but decisively, delivering smooth, endless electric torque that feels like it never tapers off, while predictive suspension absorbs the road before it reaches you, making rough terrain feel neutral and highways feel endless, transforming long drives, heavy towing, and off-grid exploration into an experience where fatigue fades and confidence grows, because this truck doesn't rush the festivity of contract. It endures, it adapts, and it keeps moving forward with unwavering authority. If you want to stay ahead of the electric truck revolution, understand which machines will dominate 2030, and never fall behind the curve. Subscribe now, share this with anyone still doubting EV capability, and watch till the end. Because what Ram built here isn't just impressive, it's inevitable. At the heart of the Ram Phantom X range lies a next-generation extended-range electric architecture built on a reinforced modular platform optimized for efficiency without sacrificing power, featuring a dual-motor or tri-motor configuration capable of delivering over 1,000 horsepower with instant torque, intelligently managed through AI-controlled torque vectoring that distributes power precisely where it's needed, reducing waste while maximizing traction, and paired with an ultra-high-capacity battery system utilizing advanced solid-state or hybrid cell technology. The Phantom X range achieves class-leading range without compromising performance, supported by a multi-layer thermal management network that maintains optimal battery temperature under towing, off-road stress, or high-speed cruising, while regenerative braking systems actively adapt to driving style and terrain to reclaim energy efficiently, and when combined with an adaptive aerodynamic system that subtly reshapes airflow at speed, and degenerative braking systems actively adapt to driving style and terrain to reclaim, end-to-percenting, and a Tiger Precision Spy Cell lowers ride height automatically and minimizes drag. This truck turns efficiency into a weapon, allowing it to travel farther, work longer, and perform harder than anything before. But the Phantom X range isn't just engineered for distance, it's engineered for intelligence, integrating a predictive control system that merges data from cameras, radar, LiDAR, satellite mapping, and cloud-based learning to anticipate terrain changes, traffic patterns, weather conditions, and energy demand miles ahead, allowing the truck to pre-adjust suspension, power delivery, to also add LiDAR satellite mapping and cloud-based learning, and battery output before the driver even senses a change, effectively eliminating surprise from the driving equation. And this intelligence extends into advanced towing assistance, off-road navigation, and semi-autonomous highway driving, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys and making complex tasks feel controlled and repeatable rather than exhausting, reinforcing the idea that real strength is consistency, not chaos. Emotionally, the Ram Phantom X range connects with drivers in a new way, because it replaces anxiety with assurance, replacing the fear of running out, breaking down, or pushing too far with the confidence that this machine was built to keep going when others hesitate. And Ram amplifies this connection through an interior that balances durability with futuristic comfort, blending reinforced materials with ambient lighting, panoramic digital displays, and an AI-driven interface that learns your habits, routes, and preferences over time, adjusting throttle response, steering feel, and even cabin atmosphere to match your driving style, creating a relationship that feels personal, dependable, and quietly powerful. Technologically, the Phantom X range operates as more than a vehicle, featuring full vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-grid capability that allows it to power job sites, camps, emergency operations, or entire homes during outages, transforming it into a mobile energy command unit, while over-the-air updates continuously improve efficiency, unlock new driving modes, enhance safety systems, and refine performance long after purchase, ensuring the truck evolves instead of aging, and with integrated cybersecurity, biometric access, encrypted vehicle networks, and advanced driver assistance systems approaching autonomous capability, Ram positions the Phantom X range not just as a long-range truck, but as a secure, intelligent platform built for a future where vehicles must think, adapt, and protect as much as they perform. What truly separates the Phantom X range, however, is the psychological shift it creates. Because once drivers experience a truck that never feels stressed, never feels limited, and never demands compromise, the old definition of power collapses, replaced by a new understanding where dominance comes from endurance, efficiency, and control, not noise or excess, and that realization quietly rewires expectations across the industry. And here's the final surprise that changes everything. The Ram Phantom X range wasn't designed to win short tests or flashy headlines, it was designed to win time, distance, and trust over years of real use. And when drivers finally realize that the strongest truck is the one that never forces you to stop, the Phantom X range won't just feel like the future, it will feel like the only option left, proving once and for all that the age of range anxiety is ending, and the era of silent, unstoppable endurance has already begun.